Okay. Okay, now we to the lava file in a minute blanc at Vodake 4:31 p.m. top 103.1 FM. Bonsoir, bon arrivé to Le Monde. Good evening, Ghana. Good evening. Ways of our Dunenyo Borborbor show right here on top 103.1 FM. Papa Laochi. We are transmitting live from 40B Royal Castle Road, Accra, Kokomle, Ghana. 4:31. Mikata Ways of la Pek Black Bear. Official Fiakanele and Konya Sama. Medoja Tokadena Miva Dunenyo Borborbor Klenya Jujona Oji. Manana nya me yo ke fede wonata yawenye thanks to you computer clinic to thanks to you computer clinic sponsor Dunenyo Borborbor show le top 103.1 FM Papa Laochi. Thanks to you computer clinic we are specialized in treating all kinds of diseases such as infertility, prostate, diabetes, stroke, gonorrhea, asthma, typhoid, stomach ulcer, syphilis, whites, candidiasis, insomnia, sickle cells, severe headache, hepatitis B, A, and C, pletokata, yawenye ameyonye. Thanks to you computer clinic to or sponsor Dunenyo Borborbor show. Only one of the clinic in Ghana ike wana edo alegbegba. Edo yo dana yo glomelebe infertility abe evimajimaji intupek bojo. Ameyokata low sperm count hele for the na miatonye thanks to you computer clinic. Alo nchu yope nchu mekale nka macho mekalo menu Muse mekalo menu da etio katangbele amana na nyebe nene do thanks to you computer clinic wak bogbo nye de novi nyasala onene makenye prostate. Nchu yokata prostate cancer le for the na kwa miato nene do thanks to you computer wak bogbo diabetes, stroke, bagbado, gonorrhea, ameyo lodo le nyonu kule nchu onti asthma do, ameyo typhoid fever le fudena, ameyo domeve osa atradima le fudena, ameyo syphilis le fudena white, candidiasis white, alo de po le fudena, ameyo insomnia, alomadoma do, sickle cells, putomedomao, novitodolao, alo severe headache, etave atradimao, alo hepatitis B, A plus C mao. Manana nyebe thanks to you computer clinic one of the best clinic in Ghana. And then all these issues so best sicknesses you blockata open last stop when you thanks to you computer clinic. Odado vo eyatane edo yo melekle eyo nyime yo ha Odometorial le fudena wa nene dota tansi computer clinic togwa ekema akpodoyoyo afima okona machine so ye editet na enu ekitututu le fudena o afi wakwe anao atike eya tanene do afima menye de kona globe etale iveko na watike wa editet ple machine so computer machine so ma akpobe nu tututu eletave mahe alo siko says makova afi wa na watike no vitodo lava vao Manana nyebe. Thanks to you, Computer Clinic is located at Queen near Suhum on Asamankese Road. They atanene yina Suhum la Asamankese Moji at the Fiado Yobe Queen. Afimaye na kwa thanks to you, Computer Clinic tole. Dr. Ben na yo ile 0545 252 880. Thanks to you, Computer Clinic tope number so yomele 0545 252 880. or 020-596-1109. 020-596-1109. Thanks to you, Computer Clinic. Located at Queen or near Suhum on Asamankese Road, the best clinic so far. Manana nyebe life caregiver life caregiver store nyame yo onye a train nurses ado yo pona amogbo la femme nyame yo kata mi have nyafe miato mianovio ekenye sick people la femme miele amado team ekenye caretaker so wa va femme ava no amiegbo I take care of the person Nanyebe abioje, nanyebe edoade bagbado lonu kainye dolelea. You are looking for somebody to care for your patient at home. Ekema life caregiver so meleka funa ono $2. Like caregiver so yonya may you have trained nurses so you don't under affair me be one no wood dono bonao nanyebe amareke melasio nela meti be amiena no wood dono bonao akbobo anatike ana no dream top radio back kore ana no dodri ana tike akpogbo na asem kade eyime wonele dome alone zomoa ekema meleka funa obe ameyo na va yogbo na vanye life caregiver so o train nurses ado eye onye train nurses in Ghana la fi wa kodo da fi ome eye wa va akpo wo donogbo and make sure be wo donoma amade kemele anogbo wa ame anogbo na ono $2 o ya wenye life caregivers enoma wona ma train nurses onyo eyata nene di amade be wabano o dono gbona la femelo le koji afisi afia ekema na yo no ba eke mele yo ge fifi life caregiver store o le kokomlemle near top radio le mi agbola fi na yo le 0244 385 597 0244 385 597 hello 0302 951 523 0302 951 523 life caregivers ole kokomlemle near top radio alo top lemi agbola fi wa akpede wunti o anao ame ekenye nesiso abano afeme now akpo dono ji be dono ma anodeti yo katanyi akwatikede ye ple gameji no $2 akpena mi be mi come your radio that the top 103.1 is 439 Dunenyo Borborbor show coming to you live wherever you are finding yourself from 40B Royal Castle Road, Accra, Kokomlemle. This is authentic Mama MFA. They call the authentic Ghanaian music, aka specifically from the Volta region, Borborbor, Agbaja, and so on. We are live. Le Facebook Jean social handles okata we are live across ekenye top radio Facebook top radio le Facebook akpomi nyele YouTube top radio Ghana on YouTube top radio Ghana mya told me you subscribe mya follow top radio Ghana TikTok nyele top radio 103.1 FM official le TikTok. X alo TikTok. Kenye Top Radio Ghana on X. Instagram Top Radio Ghana. Website enye topfmonline.com. And we are live also in USA on Sienna YouTube page, Sienna Facebook page in North America and Ghana. We are still live on Authentic Mama Fan page on Facebook. Authentic Mama Fan page on Facebook is clear and live. Vavala Okata, I salute all of you. Your comment to open love messages you Nadoda. Let it be coming. If today happens to be your birthday, if you are born the 11th of June, then I say happy birthday to you. I wish you all the best in life. May you live to be 103.1. Send me a message on WhatsApp or text message, the same line, 0244 066752, 0244 066752. In case today happens to be your birthday or you are celebrating an anniversary, let me give you shout outs. 0244 066752. Miawezo. Bonsoir, bon arrivé. Miawezo. Welcome to the show once again. We are here from now to 7. Authentic mama, authentic mama, the one who did with one hand. Manana the lineup for today. Yeah, newspaper headline segment here. New Year le Ghana to come peta kakao. Ye chonko nebe newspaper headline segment now. But now it is time for text messages and WhatsApp message segment. Yata natando wo messages soda. But makle now. I do fie ina wolo loto la pek black bear. No banye 0244. 0244 066752. No by getting a do text or WhatsApp message so da. Yanye 0244 066752. Let me offer health segment. Mami anami tidbik aleke this rainy season eko lebenako akpodoku obe edolele kucheche ma valewo ekenye cholera malaria typhoid fever. Eyatana no twaji. Let your friends know. Yes, merely on. I'm saying tune in to Top 103.1 FM. Yeah, wait so. Yeah, wait so. Authentic mama. Authentic Mama, the 103.1 FM.
Ago Ganato, Unkonya Frangoka, UN General Assembly Hall, Mashama Naruto, Authentic Mama, MFA, the top 103.1, Akakabo.
Went on dinner choir. Amen of even when they did. Went on dinner choir. Make a more. To the love of our Top Radio 103.1 FM, FM Papa G 452. Dunenyo Borborbor playing at your now. Pink Osem Live 240B Royal Casero de G Accra. Mia social handle so kataole a kicking live. Novitorola Top Radio on Facebook, Top Radio Ghana on YouTube, Top Radio Ghana on YouTube, Top Radio 103.1 FM official on TikTok. Nyele Claire le X Top Radio Ghana, Instagram Top Radio Ghana, yape website Hale Claire topfmonline.com. And we are live on Sienna YouTube page in North America, Sienna Facebook page in North America, as well as Authentic Mama fan page on Facebook. Akpenami Todo Lavavao. Text message segment. Amele dodo makle messages yo mi doda. Ame yo egbenye ope jigbeza. Odo message so da makle na me. Ohana tando ne biado fiene wolo loto la peklegbe 0244066752 0244066752. Gachiko ye wonu malea. Ao mado ulete. Do.
Hi guys, my name is Dunenyo and I'm listening to Authentic Mama on Top FM.
Manana nye benye kale World Cup season eko mevo hade crowd. World Cup match kale ji egbe exactly I think the 9 o'clock match akanoji eyata mi first sports crew like a call commentary avename eyata talk when you been on Top 103.1 FM Papa Oji though Africa countries so kata they are out of the game yabo kakia is still ongoing. It wasn't enough. Morocco, Toyo, Milan, Dodo, they are the last African country in the game. Ayoha, France, they did their best. Azo ameyo le yi ava quarter finals. Semi-finals so for mole ava quarter finals. Ekamami akwa mekae. Even though I am with Impabe, Ekenye France, we are taking them to win this year. I don't know. I don't have because of Messi. Taola Borborbor Argentina. And I may support you. I support France in Pabito. The Wako Kappa this year. They are doing so well so far. Argentina will struggle a bit. Kakea, they are still in the game. Nyakpoleke obo to hana ida. Our African countries okata onyami odemi kataleme. And I'm wondering, look at it where the African countries so we can compete with the foreigners. Is it inferiority complex or what is it that our mentality? Is it fear be aden le mia meta nemi ba le ball for play e yo fokuku ya wa vovo no mia me yo meta po na ball nyewa. Meanwhile, me we do not play bobitati, me we do not kenke toyo ye a solid food o me do na Africa. Kake and me do World Cup to wa obut na me abe. Elebe na nye be obe ma ofen wu se me la ba kok pang or something. Hey Ghana, hey lay out. Alo Ghana, ho the milema. Every corner like the country, community the tun. There is no noise anymore about the World Cup again. Ela be Ghana make a lemo. Though this year, me have support. Came na blaster soul America, play Canada, play Tepewa. It was so massive. Afi kake ameva do afiareke crowd. Mia novi onye evio alo Ghana toyo la America to come out this o jagbagba legbegbe o play ticket o yi stadium be yo back for match so o yi kake a mia fe blaster so o meta make Ghana proud at all. All the same we give thanks to God. That is how far they can go and that's where they went. Kake a World Cup ekaleji yin 19th of July. Finals, 19th of July. Anye World Cup finals, ano New York, New Jersey Stadium. Kakia and your authentic mama, maybe me supporting the France so be in public. But let's group over this year no because if you like back gem, like gem all about for. Okay, text message segment. Shout out to Abraham Goveme, Jafar Goveme, and my big mommy Cynthia Minta, and the entire family of Apechi from Emperor Gize. Okay, the same Emperor Benina Victoria. Okay, shout out to Victoria George, my baby mama. Now someone else girl. I miss your trouble, truth. Are you so eyeing your ex girl? I want to Emperor, you are so eyeing your former girlfriend. I don't know. Okay, baby mama, kake 50 year, I'm never close to somebody's girl. You miss trouble, you konanai, Emperor Gize. Ebe nika ina top radio nyasala okata mapo agbaja toke adene akpe. Oh. Eyambe Davi eme famia me dofie ina o me tibema pohana todolao vevieto deka nye afi koko bogo lekasoa efojo free coffee agbojin shicho aigbe town Jamaica Junction Accra Ghana eleka pomna Davi afi koko pogo Yeah, but today is like your voice is sweet apao. No name. Today mawao. Today mu afina nya alesi ole. Yeah, but ayiko David me fam miam le the wom efo keleku le legon efo keleku le legon akpe legon to akpe na me Amade Englo, a very big article, down there, the reason why African teams or African country teams faces obstacles succeeding at the World Cup. Wow. All the way from Peking, he has sent me a very long story about the obstacles and the reason why African teams faces obstacles succeeding at the World Cup. The lack of grassroots academies without structured youth system, players miss out on early tactical discipline, sports science, and professional infrastructure, relying instead of raw talent developed later in their careers. Administrative mismanagement issues within local football federations, such as disputes over unpaid players' bonuses and poor financial planning, frequently cause distraction during major tournaments. Player drain. The lack of strong local leagues drives top talent to Europe early. Consequently, many high-profile players withdraw citizenship, choose to represent European national teams, causing instability and lot of issues. Very long enemy analysis why African countries so they don't do well in World Cup matches. So that is the reason. Yeah, Amade Doda all the way from Peking, the Volta region. Thank you so much, Efonye. And they play sweet Borborbor song for all France national team. So it means it's also supporting France in Paris. In Paris all the way. Thank you. Amade has sent a comment. The reason why African countries don't do well in this tournament or a World Cup tournament, and wired referring decisions against. Okay, if you are referring referee over decisions against African nations, so okay, if you are referees, you wanna referee now, they go against African countries. That is somebody's view. Okay. Thank you for good evening, Authentic Mama. We are listening to you live from Ablekuman, Ayiko, Top Radio all the way. Thank you. This one said, I am Celestine, all the way from Dansuman. Authentic, you are live. Top radio is live at Dansuman last time. Thank you. This one said, you are live in Florida. Martin. For Martin, all the way from Florida. I said, Authentic, you are live with Top Radio, live in Florida. We are listening to you. Thank you so much, Aphonia. This one said, we are listening to you live, Authentic Mama, all the way from Dallas, Texas, Dallas. Reverend Donko and the wife live in Texas, Dallas. Congratulations to you. Thank you, Reverend and wife, Texas. This one said, we are live in New York City, Bronx to be precise. Bronx, Tokata, Ahododio Nami, America, Bronx, New York City. Thank you so much for tuning in. This one, Osajifo Kofi, a form from USA. Which part of USA are you? I bet New York. Okay. Yeah, but New York is blowing with a Top Radio. Thank you. This one, so we are live with you, Authentic Mama, all the way from Cape Coast. Say, I am a teacher at Cape Coast, listening to you live. F.O. Castro, Cape Coast, thank you so much. Thank you, Cape Coast, Top Radio all the way. Yeah, Castro Kwamido, Mr. Castro Kwamido from Cape Coast. Okay, Ghana National College, Cape Coast. Thank you so much. This one said, Authentic Mama, we are live with you at Ohio, USA, Ohio. This is Kwame from Ohio, USA. You are live. Top Radio all the way. Thank you, Ohio, Tom. This one said, I am Celestine all the way from Washington, D.C. Watching you live, Authentic Mama and Dunenyo Borborbor Show, Top 103.1 all the way, Washington, D.C. See you soon. Richard Caveji, watching you live from Italy. Thank you so much, Apeto Richard Caveji. Hello, good evening, Authentic Mama. Good evening, my brother. Italy Talk, how are you doing? Freddie Adam, I thank you, sweet sister, for the affable work, okay? Watching you live from Akosombo. Thank you so much. Freddie Adam, Akosombo, small land, you're off in my best small landed. Thank you so much. Wisdom Kagblo. Good evening, authentic mama. You are welcome. My name is Kagblo Wisdom, watching you live from Domi, Accra. Greetings to all listeners from Vegbe, Parliament in the Volta region. Thank you for the good work. Thank you to Wisdom Kagblo. Afeto Noble Kukubo, watching you live from the United Kingdom. Big up to you, authentic mama. Thank you, Efonye Noble Kukubo. I miss you, Efonye. Afeto Gabriel Baham, touching Borborbor show. Thank you so much. All the way from is it Adenta or no? For Baham Isaac Atimwa. For Isaac Atima, good evening, Sister Mmefa. You are doing a good work. Aiko, thank you so much. For Isaac Atima, Apeto Eric Kofi Dajawa. Good evening, Sister Mmefa. I am listening to you live from Kaneshi. Keep doing the good work. We are proud of you. Thank you. For Eric. Afeto Joseph Amevo. Good evening, authentic. Good evening. Afeto Kwabina Boachi is watching you live. Thank you so much. Love Kelly. Adai. Love Kelly. Passing through. Thank you for passing through. Afeto Jeffrey Gate Janja. Good evening, authentic mama. Trust you and your household are doing greatly. Yes, we are. Keep up the good work. More grace to your elbow. Thank you, Reverend Jeffrey Gate Janja. Thank you so much, Reverend. Michelle Alexia, and I'm of you. Invite them all. They're live.
Hi guys, my name is John Dumelo and I'm listening to
Authentic Mama, the 103.1 Authentic mama, the 103.1.
Yeah, very happy. Yeah, to Johnny Bonnie, Mafia, authentic mama.
Hi guys, my name is Dunenyo and I'm listening to Authentic Mama.
No Vito do Lava Vaon and if you have in back tune in top 103.1 FM Pablo Original Dunenyo Borborbor show. Well, authentic by my for it's 5:20 p.m. Ga aton minutes bla evetutu Nielen live let me social handles so kata top radio on Facebook, top radio on Facebook, top radio Ghana on YouTube, top radio Ghana. Me tell me ya follow me subscribe me follow top radio Ghana on YouTube. Niele live le X Kenya hello. Niele live le TikTok ha. Top radio 103.1 FM official on TikTok, Kenya live, Top Radio Ghana on X, Instagram, Top Radio Ghana. Our website is also live, Top fmonline.com. Nyele Claire Authentic Mama fan page on Facebook. Nyele live le Siana YouTube page, Siana Facebook page. Nyele back. Me subscribe, me follow. Me no vi if you open Borborbor America to come up a TV station, play radio station America. Yo ma, me yona mi Siana. This year convention Kenya if you open a Borborbor Council of Every Association to you America Kenya America Canada fe o Borborbor ko yobe Siana e fe ya ma paza anoji le Washington DC eye mi anofema akọ na katambe na me ame yo kata le tetrado wom na yi le America to come but you are Siana 2026 ayi ko na me mi awe gbodoga. Thanks to you, Computer Clinic. Talk if they want to they are the sponsors. Thanks to you, Computer Clinic. We are specialized in treating all kinds of diseases like infertility, prostate, diabetes, stroke, gonorrhea, asthma, typhoid fever, stomach ulcer, physalis, whites, insomnia, sickle cell, severe headache, hepatitis B, A, and C, and all sorts of diseases. Thanks to you, Computer Clinic. You can locate Thanks to you, Computer Clinic at Queen or near Suhum on Asaman Kese Road. Contact Doctor on 0545 252 880, 0545 252 880, or 020 596 1109. 020 596 1109. Thanks to you, Computer Clinic, the best clinic in Ghana. Okay, hold on na me ga aton minute bla aton vo ga aton minute bla vo eton ekenye 520 524. Okay, 524 now. Ga aton minute bla vo ne ya ipo fifi line of it to lao na nye fifi afi never tune in ways of kakaka we le toaji le Dunenyo Borborbor plenya jojiro na okwen kosem bakpela Authentic Mama. My did you newspaper headline segment. Anyway, Jolegana to come a peta cacao, me chonconele, you vote me be newspaper headline segment. I've van out. Be na sending you a job. Let you come a le phone in segment. You have the chance and choice also to comment and your views and send your views or call and comment on the issues that happen during the week in Ghana. Now, that is the segment we are about to enter now. Our newspaper headline segment. But before then, let me acknowledge some viewers across the social network. Afeto Castro, though, even the Authentic Mama, Saturday is here again. I can't miss the show. Listening to you live from Cape Coast, Ghana National College. Authentic Mama all the way. Thank you so much for Castro, though. Cape Coast Tokata, thank you so much. Jeffrey Gate, Janja. Top radio back Jeffrey Gate Janja. Good evening, Authentic Mama. Trust you and your household. They are doing well. Yes, greatly well. Yes, we are. Keep out the good work. More grace to your elbow. This is Reverend Jeffrey Gate Janja. Thank you so much. Reverend Freakan let me know where you are watching me from. Akpekaka Richard Kavege. Richard Kavege. Hello, Authentic Mama. That one I know from Italy. Freddie Adam, thank you, sweet sister, for the affordable work. Watching you live from Akosombo. Thank you for Wisdom Card Blog. Good evening, Authentic Mama. You are welcome. My name is Wisdom Card Blog. Watching live from Dominica, Accra. Greetings to all listeners from Begbekpalime in the Volta region. Thanks to you too for Noble. Afeto Noble Kukubo. Watching you live from United Kingdom. Big ups to you. Thank you for Noble. Leke UK Tofonia. Thanks for watching. Gabriel Baham, Apeto Gabriel Baham, Ebe Tashin Borborbor show live. Eleponye live to Accra. I feel a new Legon EP Church Presbyter onye le new Legon EP Church. Afo medo fia in tokede now for Gabriel Baham. Apeto Isaac Atima. Ebe good evening, Sister Mefa. You are Mefa. You are you are doing a good work. Okay, thank you. Afeto Eric Kofi Dajawa. Good evening, Sister Mefa. I'm listening to you live from Kaneshi. Keep doing the good work. We are proud of you. Thank you so much. Afeto Joseph Amevo. Good evening, Authentic. Thank you. Good evening for Rita Konama, AK Kwashi, and others. They are also doing the washing. Thank you so much. But I call me message so. We are clear life Authentic Mama fan page on Facebook. I don't text or WhatsApp messages in case today happens to be your birthday and you want me to give you a shout out and wish you happy birthday, or you are celebrating your anniversary. Just send me a text or WhatsApp the same line on 0244 066752. 0244 066752. The same line, text or WhatsApp. I'll read them out for you and also wish you happy birthday. All June Bones, especially June 11 Bones, happy birthday to all of you. We wish you all the best in life. Thanks for tuning in to Top Radio 103.1 FM. Todo Lava Vow, it's time for newspaper headline. New way to Ghana to comment. Nyajojogmanto, as we are all aware, Miape President, His Excellency John Dramani Mahama has declared 2 days national cleanup exercise. Declare as a day for sanitation. Ekemia a clean up Miape environment to Duplola Eyanto a choiva Kenya Friday and yesterday and today. Eno a town a ye o bacha. Many yadeka oya pakpele Vice President honor His Excellency Nana Professor Nana Opoku-Agyeman. Okata wono Ghana do come Accra. All the places eke flood alo chijaja pe amedede he nojia to plola plepekpede unto ple Ghana fe minister so ple DCO ple TOMCO all over ono to come. Ocha la Accra dume echo. And not only in Accra, declaration of sanitation day, 2 day sanitation day, is all over the country, not only in Accra, all over the regions. AK presidents, Vice, yesterday they were in town. Ocha, Kaka, Onochado, Obayi Alajo, and all the other places. Over Akpo flood there, Afif, Chio Damole, Gotao, and Nico Belinda Fuma, Adudo, Gotao, Pelechino, Oyi back what the pay, Obiato to come soon. I look to come if you can't see a chovai, Pelegba. I'm a seminar, a common popoma. No, what do the hike at the gota ome. The pay you catan him, you put a gota on your lemiapo kuome, miape area oqua, elebe, nia dome, eta dupolantonongo, if a vice play do, pele minister so, ocha, o do, zoom la, I may you catania, nadmo, peletoqua. Top radio back for Okatamu Dodak Boji echo, yo, the gota o meo, or the fete yo, a chihado, the payo, he, o hiabe wakpo, at them blechon, alakewa with kata, echoa, oh, where Egbeham, Ekbobo, Okai Doji, and all over the places that I went through, I passed through before coming to work. Oh, where Teshito, Ojabagba, or the gota o mekleto, Kakia, the only issue, Kumanglobe. No, the gota malebe zoom line of ebu adodolo no sambai immediately ko wa allo gota me peke o kula dodo akodde me akoju ezirika kakeno ka de gota o me ko da de gota to a emi omo wona de ka because within 2-3 days kwa no me value e ka ba kwa eno katanka go de e gota me mekpele tepado mekpo viado le gota to, and I'm hoping be e bua o le chachale yi allo no ma okatan so that the sanitation they will be complete.
Top radio back kore.
No fit to do lao nya fe president e bia chodumevi o si be edumevi de si ade ele kuku debe mi anye disciplined people. We should be disciplined. Amesia mena a discipline de ko anya make o a wonu tefele du comment ebe ye bia chomi asibede amesia me ha na wotosunu president ma cho le castle ava no gota medele over afa me mo no de na chile wa wo le pele view o le me le president o af ela ba fiki o la echimegbo legbo eya tale ba bia be amesia me na nya no tefe wo lao ame yo kona adodo fena de gota o me na chile jaja alo na chimele jaja go ha amo choko o logbe o ko ba fere gota me ebe chogbeji ko ya amesia me na jujo no mawo nyanye no tefe wola dumevi o dumevi no tefe wola o eseji wola o
Top radio back kore.
eka bia be ame yo to hold a waterlogged area so making it difficult for water alo chi ebe wa flow ava yi eke na be flooding le vava ebe me mapuko ha ubo susu na tro mitasi hotum de echipete fe wala be chia it always will find its way echia dimo eyata adimo vato wa feme nene to hode chia tefe kwa ayanto na vato afie me now we to na kpebe chi vato afie me now agblen wonu kata ebia chodume vi osibe nya no discipline awo seji awo nute anye nute fe wala o nya no mi fe gota o medem kaba ebia cho district assembly so MCO kletosibe. They should make it a point, not only these 2 days declaration of sanitation in Ghana, but they should make it. He's even thinking, but every month, once in every month, the come view kata district or kata come out and come and do cleanup exercise. But me ado, I've a clean me have got so clear the phone. Ebiachu me kata sibede ye de kuku. I make the tougher one now. Ekpedon disaster is some accident do you we can do is natural ones. So no nechi echiva dam natural ones do le. That one we can't do anything about it. It's only God. Kakia human errors. You me one na be flood over na ele kuku de be mi ajagbawa achoji. Tamesiame na wo no tefe you want to got home them district assembly so one make sure be gota gangan yo lea emenye small gota say la mobon kumowa o ha for duty say onye be one no market cleaning and things so that Ghana are no clean avoid flood plateau. Nyafe vice president the same thing she's also appealing to all women especially
Top radio back kore.
bede asinyo no ame yo jana no la si o ma mi keep mi afasi o me clean mi ajira mi afete fodo no jajira o mi wenwe hygiene the di no no fe no be eno yo mi le jajira na me wa eno ha na no the die e bia cho me se ebe mi kate mi nya enya hoho menye ye akava gbelo yata me se me nye no tefe wala vice president e ya ha fe no poma ebe to come of you nyonu ovevie to mia we wona nu onyakpona tefe no cleaner nyonu minna nyanye nyonu no tefe wola o awo no tefe no vi todola o yo wenye enu yo we jota yesterday and today nationwide sanitation cleanup exercise declared by the president ekemyewo mekwa ebenya tefe a lot of areas so not only in Accra all the regions so o take part amesiame we ela be amesia mekpo ebe
top radio back kore
na chibi alewa allo kasiawa your president achielo kokoko eyata hia be na wonu tefele wo tefe eya nyenya jojo gbanto no vitoro la o nyefu asikpele na amesia mekedo they are outside egbe va drive area so do akpema una irami nya yijimi no one ene. Don't wait for president to declare sanitation day before you clean your community. You clean your gutters in front of you. It is your civil duty. But you do that so to avoid flooding. Ela be flooded, it can come for you. Menye amadeko. Enya jojo veli enye be miafe road minister Honorable Gavins Kwame Agboja mianto miafo miavi mianovi ameke okode no be wanye emo dodo jikpola le Ghana na ele chacha all over the country going in touring the road projects yo big push projects yo kata okode toma ele chacha
Top radio back correct.
eye uncho and no northern part of the northern part of the region Ashanti region have akpo Kumasi Pemo kaka in northern part of the region pleto kata fifia and Evado voter region and voter voter region and OT region vato the major big push road so they are quality contractors so call it the water echa vato kokwe have to Hokwe Moma. So terrible over how many years now? I don't even remember. More than 10 years have to Hokwe Pemo. Very, very terrible. Over Kwena, Olewo, and that big push. Ever inspect be a polekole G. Ebe okay, Ole Doji, Ebiacho contractor, so Sibe Waja Baba, I would do Kaba, Ella Bear, and Moma, and more Kila Megedo, Pejiji, Lenuble, Eata, Ebiacho Sibewa would do.
Top radio back correct.
Nenamake etofuma IoT region eto OT region be akpo efe big push project yo la fuma yi ekpo kata obiacho contract so kata sibe they should do their best be whatever complete project on time on schedules ebe so far wole doji amese manager gbagba ne wa wo eto sunu be emo nanyu nyafe Michelle come to Bon. Call you pick more maha ever toy, ever call a more contractor so ebia chose be wa kaba. Ocho leji ebe so far wole doji. Ye pucha botanao kakedo ke bia be wa yiji kaba ne mo nacho ne mikatamia afo. Lepe nupoma elekboblobe by the end of 2027 ebe will be able to drive, pedestrian will be able to drive uninterrupted.
Top radio back correct.
Uninterrupted from Aplau to Ho on artifacts. Ebe mi ameyo kata zona moma na from Aplau to Ho fe moma fete like Anglope area mawa ebe by 2027 moma katana no complete under the big push it will be ready. Ami seminazo artifact G aye fe dume le wuti fa fame. Mianovi miafo Honorable Minister for Roads and Highways, Kenya Honorable Gavins Kwame Agboja, Eyape Nupoma, Eyimo tour to the voter region and OT region to inspect the ongoing big put work. So, Yama, Eyanya Jojo Evelia, Nyajojo Etonlia, Eyanye Minister of Interior, Honorable Mohammed Mubarak Muntaka, and Amienya a disclose uncho Devaye. So we said ever you be
top radio back correct.
the video I may you katange apply for security service aka recruitment yo hamo yi so job fire service police kletok o ba ya I may you katange va no fuma be you like dodi be you are get the service me soldier me fire service me prison me pleto wa me wo test no kata pleto wa Honorable Minister for Interior Eleboblobe 1,300 security agencies applicant tested positive for HIV/AIDS. 1,300 security agency applicants tested positive. Ame akpe la for the kabla tonson. Ye wenya me yo.
Top radio back correct.
Me wo test now the dokpo mi ato mi nya na security forces they say ma wo test wo na. Me wo test na wa obakpo ebe ame akpe ala for the kabla tonson. Ye wenya the video ala me yo go apply HIV/AIDS. HIV loan eke ewonuku na megedeo be aleke wo amegbogbo masunu HIV loan amegedeo ma ha omenya be edolela ele yobonwu Eke apart from that, ekavale jejebe. Even le Ghana fifia, miape HIV rate, LG, Alegbegbe, the Vitukuyo le school. The Vionye, at the young adults you are, offer reclame HIV ke leonwa, menye novio. Eva level vondo, amegbeto, our bemien robe miadokyo.
Top radio back correct.
Mie down dying, ye, mie le nu basa basa, or no manye no wobe, a dolele koyobe. HIV eva le bosum le Ghana te come. Aye me enyaya doa amegedo fifia vovon la modom ame ole no. Hey, how come the HIV ba le spreading like this? Le du come. No vitoro lao. Ghana AIDS Commission to le boblobe. Nyatepe esia anya le vava ele kakea menye enueke ele too much ke mi avon mi anovovon ha do kakea amole dokpo eta ehia ba mesem na akpodo kwenwe ale benedoku achobi atofi akonchia akonyon pletoyo egatidi vivo amede kafra eva dokple nchia nchua ha ba dokple suno ha ba dokple amade ha ba dokple leneko HIV is spreading all over the country.
Top radio back correct.
And even in minors, over 1.3% reactive rate minors national data. The vitukyo go ha HIV available no without them knowing. No vitudolao. Kakea leya megbepetia amole boblobe test enu mao kit mao ko test na HIV pleto aleke dova like bosode enu mao kasugbo ke le ko jina mo yu akwa ole gboglobe nyatepe HIV test kits arriving in weeks matiti o ka dog gede ocho outside kogbona ole yata koresia de jiko ne dibi adodo ku okpobe HIV dole nwa nene yi koresia de jiko obe enu yoko dona mekpo anwe adodo ku okpo so that you know that you are safe or not, so you start preparing yourself prevent yourself from getting the HIV AIDS.
Top radio back correct.
No vitodolao yo wenye nya jojo yo we le jojo le Ghana ye me covenant me enya ton yo clean up exercise 2-day clean up exercise ma for region amiape roads and highways minister touring fifi Cavado voter and OT region touring the big push project to pakple HIV ekemiape minister for interior announced be 1,300 applicants ameyo be yo in personnel security personnel ekenye applicants you are 1,300 so o have allo tested HIV o bale jebe amoso de viogo half if ye do vale spread in alegbegbe ye onye jojo nya kaila si ocho nya eton yo nese revie to medima base do enye penya de HIV nyawo Ghana de do mien robe miadokyo be edolele ade kale oyo be HIV eke mi dasia. Then for social media, some videos are going around, spreading all over. Ladies at Obe, they got the sickness, so they want to spread it. They are spreading it and so on. Mutual, elebe miano very, very careful. Kafra, suno lasio kode, they come, nanyo now, edo de kama kafra, no, eyakwe lenyon de sea de unti. Doko na we wa vivi now. I went on a town where wa vivi now nye. Menye be na tofi kafra. Nyon wala peme e wona vacha. Va yi ba ko girlfriend de e ko don now. O ha ne cover na nyon de bobra peme ko. Lefe do wo tututu. Kafra. Mawu abu fo ne ku. Eyata ehia be mi akpom nya doku oji. Nya vi yo kafra mi dasilo.
Top radio back correct.
Ole chacha all over the places because of money. Now people don't want to work. They are just looking for easy way to get money. The way our young girls all over the places, they want to drive big cars. They don't know that you have to start from 1, 2, 3 before you get to that area. It is so alarming that HIV/AIDS is now increasing and going up and down. You for suku vio go ha. JSS view kata ole domaho alegbegbe elabe Begble fe nyenye va ho du come ale gbegbe abrosan va ho Ghana. Menye Ghana ko kike me go do because all le social media. Amado wa de obodo ko naked. Ano nufu anado wole social media de vio le popo. Amado evudo fuku awudo fuku amesemete bi awononene. Egbe me kakpo na de okujina.
Top radio va correct.
Fifia nyonu competition do fuku va nyonu me dressing competition ado what dawu styles ado be styles. I don't know that I even could tefe go han and you could tefe ado one and a nyonu pe no la yama. I want to blani now be I make better ye could Kemi la vifa alo la vifa eya fapa mi bolo alo dress up o vabia bawo a hip epe breast. Egbe me kakpo de in fact wonu blani nyonu tawu fine e flawu che tawu kake fe nu piti le kike kake be tawu edo wo dagan dof like style let's be oh this is style. I don't know. It's becoming too much. I don't know. I can't contain it myself. Melek pole social media. Level von donam. Hafi mele HIV. Penya yo sa. I don't know. Be enye kwe level von.
Top radio va correct.
Enye kwe level von lo. I don't know. So fifia society adovale ladies club ado. Obodo kyo ladies club and they want to be big ladies and they want to drive some particular cars, dress some way, put some big wigs and things. All these things are influencing the youth, the view and the view how you school are. Instead of about no a kafra, but you all social media, just as view, SS view, plon to teachers so, you don't to colleagues so, kafra, all less says so half leg, school home, play some, I really don't know where we are going to. I really don't know. Sometimes I feel so pain, but na ma be a chonga na alo atro kike ma just a minute I destroy me kata nyepo flood ekejoa it just a tick of the eye bag just a little ma
Top radio va correct.
on ne ma be a tro mi a to mi pochi ke la mod choda to la jodan suma kanichi pleto pleto just imagine that if God wants to destroy the world with the water. Is it not just a twinkle of an eye? All of us will be gone. And so why do we continue to provoke God? But let me have first styles, you unnecessary behavior, you. I don't know. There is a reward. Obe ekumegba another little. I don't know about Mongolo Bebe Ekumegbe. There is a judgment day. We've forgotten ourselves in the world. We are enjoying life. We are happy, and death is nothing now. Nobody cries at the funerals. When there is funeral, it's take away. It's a save yourself. It's a dressing competition. You pop up your breast like we adore death.
Top radio va correct.
We are adoring death like it's becoming like fashion. So nene kukwa, we are going to funeral. Mi abanoha, mi adunu with hip hop breasts. We put our hip and our styles. I really don't know. God forgive us. Melek bedora mauni kom ya fenovon keme na wade mi levon yo me. Now I will be a kupatano na chimi de kuku. It is time. Let me play this music. After that, then phone in segment. Thank you for listening. Novi to that say hi ada. Then emegbe amyaichi.
Agbemedo sefe wo afi. Unyetowe wa malia. Menye kwewo sana mualia. Gbegbe wa batumu gojo. Wada simebe mawala. Mejejo. Wasimebe mawala. Mejejo. Yeda wana okata. Otimota. Simebe mawala. Simebe mawala. Yeda wana okata. Otimota. Unyetawe wa malia. Menye kwa woto na muhalia gbegbe wabatu mugodo. What does me be my wala?
Authentic Mama, the 103.1 FM. Authentic Mama, the 103.1